All right, you guys recognize this? This is by Coachmen. It is a Beyond. Look at this. Famous people. Steph and James from Fit RV. So, Coachmen on a transit chassis, dual wheels. Got the automotive glass again, which I like. Very sleek, right? Beyond. Let's go see what we can find inside. So what we're looking at there is the 22D floor plan. It comes in two other floor plans. One that has a bed in the back, and then one that is kind of a K style right here. RV does have suspension upgrade options. That's cool. Interesting, right? So again, a lot of what I would say wasted space here, but seats fold around. That's nice. Storage. Cool. Bathroom. Soap dispenser. Galley. So this is a little bit like the Paseo. Remember the Paseos the Winnebago had? So here's the same fridge that I have in my Travato. AC is on, so if it's noisy, that's what that's about. Regular microwave, it looks like. So here again, you got a really skinny twin bed. I guess that could move out probably. Got to put a table up. Yeah, I would say this is like the Paseo floor plan. Remember the old Winnebago Paseos that didn't do well? So interesting that they're kind of bringing this back. Now what's interesting here is I'm seated on the seat, and my feet are definitely touching the floors. So I like that. At least you can sit in comfort. Cabinets, not positive lock. Just an interesting omission, I think. TV, cabinet, fan, cabinet, residential faucet, nice. Uh-oh. Fake? Nope. Trash can. That's positive lock. Couldn't hardly get it open. Trash can, interesting. Taking up a lot of space. I would probably put a trash can there and command strip that to the floor, which I have done, because that is taking up valuable real estate when this valuable real estate isn't doing a whole lot, in my opinion. What do you think? So they do have a multiplex wiring system, which is cool to some. Assuming it's easy to operate, one touch. I just love the ability to go one touch, one button, and I see what I need to see versus drilling in. This is, I'm gonna argue, this is their solar controller. Truma, we're familiar with that. And this is Xantrix, so that's part of the solar, right? Wi-Fi, that's interesting, look at that. So this probably has a rooftop Wi-Fi system. I'm going, Winegard, thank you. Winegard, thank you. Yeah, so what do you guys think about this floor plan? I'll have to dig up a picture of the Paseo floor plan because it was very, very similar and didn't sell well, so they discontinued them after just a couple of years. And I was, interestingly, really, really hot for the Paseo floor plan until I got looking into the Travato and that floor plan. Here's the Beyond with the lithium system as indicated by the badging. This one caught my eye because of the white interior. Look at this. do you think? Not bad? White interior, white cabinets. It definitely feels lighter, brighter. I think this color could have been changed. And the floor needs to be a different color, but I like it. What do you think? White cabinetry? I wish I had white cabinetry. This is cool with little brushed aluminum insets. See that? Bathroom looks like a wardrobe, doesn't it? So the doors are opaque glass, but we probably get some shadows in there with the light on, so privacy, sort of, but not really. Interesting. What do you think? White cabinetry, yes or no? So hope you enjoyed that video. Day 2 at the Florida RV SuperShow in Tampa 2020. That was some of the product by Coachmen on their Class B lineup. They have a Nova Class B that I don't think is here at the show. I asked a couple of sales guys there at the booth, and they didn't think they had one there, but there is one listed on their website, so we'll have to keep track of that. But definitely a competitor to the Winnebago line and to the Thor Sequence line. These models were built on the Ford Transit chassis. If you got something out of that, give it a thumb up. Sure appreciate that. As always, comment, subscribe. You know the YouTube drill. Just a great day. Met with Volta yesterday. Volta. Hey Jack, what's up? Kirk. And today met with Winnebago, got an amazing interview with Deb coming up probably tomorrow, and had an amazing meetup with the channel viewers and Terry Minix of Embassy RV at their booth. So Terry flew in just to kind of help people out with their questions, what have you. We have another one coming up Friday, 5 p.m. At the Embassy booth. 900 is the number. And a big shout out to the Winnie Bees folks. That's all the Travato owners gathered together in the parking lot. According to Russ Garfin, who runs kind of the Class B program at Winnebago, 70 vans, 70 Travatos lined up, and he fed them all pizza tonight. So thank you, Winnebago, for the pizza. I dropped in and met just a number of really awesome people. Such a passionate group, the Travato owners. And a lot more coming up. Stay tuned. And until we see you next time, I wish you to grab your RV freedom. See ya.